So when you're ready to appoint a landscape designer, here are a few points which you can think about to ensure that you get the most out of the process. It's good to define your goals and aspirations for the site and also to be specific with what you'd like to include in your outdoor space and create a wish list. Think about how you'd like to use it. For example, do you need a play area for the kids with swing sets and trampolines and space to play football, etc.? Or how large would your dining and lounge areas need to be? Are you looking to create small intimate spaces, or do you need a larger area where you can entertain friends and family? Do you need provision for cooking outdoors or a space to grow edibles? Would you like to integrate water features? All of these elements just create this wish list of think about how you'd like to use the space. It's also good to share examples of designs, materials, or styles that you like, as from a designer's point of view, it is handy to see, what the clients like, and it helps to inform the design. And also it's helpful if there's anything that you strongly don't like, to let us know so that we can design accordingly. This could be, particular colors or particular plants and materials which you'd rather not use in your space. It can all be really helpful in the initial design stages. Um, it's good to also identify your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. And again, that helps us to focus and prioritize the wish list accordingly. When it comes to budget, it's always good to be honest about the budget and share this early on in the process to set realistic expectations and trust the designer to propose cost-effective solutions if needed. Engaging with the design process as well. It's great to just, engage with that and be clear about your priorities and take on board your designer's expertise. Always be mindful and clarify how much maintenance and effort you're willing to invest in the upkeep. Many clients aspire to have low maintenance schemes, but however, due to the nature of the landscaping, there's always an element of upkeep required to keep the spaces looking good throughout the year. So it's always good to think about your landscape, how it will grow and evolve over time, and incorporate features that could potentially allow for flexibility, and how the spaces can adapt to your future needs.